Are you looking for the best drones for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Xiaomi A1R 3S GPS Drone. The Xiaomi A1R 3S GPS Drone 8K Professional FPV Brushless Laser Obstacle Avoidance Aerial Optical Foldable Quadcopter Mini 4K Drone brings a feeling that touches anyone who dreams of seeing the world from a new height. People often try to save their memories, yet the emotion behind each moment gets lost with ordinary tools. This drone creates a different kind of experience, one that makes every scene feel alive and filled with meaning. As it rises gently into the open air, familiar places begin to look fresh and full of depth. Colors appear more natural, distant corners become clearer, and the entire view feels like a story waiting to be told. Customers who want their memories to feel special often search for something that allows them to capture expressions, surroundings, and moments with ease. This drone quietly supports that desire, helping users create visuals they can feel proud of. Those who enjoy exploring will sense tranquility in the steady motion, making every flight comfortable even for someone with no experience. The drone inspires confidence, almost like a guide helping the user discover beauty from angles they never imagined. Each moment spent flying becomes a peaceful escape, offering space to breathe and appreciate the environment. Sharing these captured memories brings happiness because each frame carries real emotion. The Xiaomi drone becomes more than a device, it becomes a partner that helps people hold on to the beauty they often overlook. It transforms simple moments into unforgettable memories that stay with the heart long after the flight ends. Number 2. JCMO L600-1 PRO 4K Camera Drone. The JCMO L600-1 PRO 4K Camera Drone Professional High-Definition Dual-Camera GPS Intelligent Positioning Brushless Motor LCD Remote Quadcopter creates a feeling of freedom that draws anyone who dreams of capturing life from a new height. Many people try to preserve their moments with ordinary devices, yet those memories often fail to show the true emotion behind each scene. This drone transforms every flight into an experience that feels alive and meaningful. As it rises smoothly into the sky, familiar surroundings begin to reveal new beauty. Colors look richer, details appear clearer, and the world below seems to tell a story waiting to be discovered. Customers who want to make their memories feel special often search for something that helps them capture every moment naturally. This drone meets that need, providing confidence and ease while allowing users to create visuals that feel personal and emotional. Those who enjoy exploration will find comfort in the steady movement that makes flying enjoyable even for beginners. The drone inspires curiosity and excitement, as if guiding users to discover perspectives they never imagined. Every flight becomes a calming escape, giving space to appreciate the environment in a way that feels fresh and inspiring. Sharing these captured memories with friends and family brings joy because each frame communicates emotion rather than just images. The JCMO drone becomes more than a device, it becomes a companion that helps people notice beauty often overlooked. It turns ordinary surroundings into unforgettable moments, making every flight a lasting memory that stays close to the heart long after it lands. Number 3. Teeggi SG909 Max GPS Drone. The Teeggi SG909 Max GPS Drone with 4K camera 6km touchscreen remote control professional drone 360-degree obstacle avoidance foldable remote control quadcopter creates an experience that captivates anyone who dreams of seeing the world from above. Many people try to capture moments with ordinary devices, yet those memories often feel incomplete and fail to show the true emotion of the scene. This drone transforms every flight into a journey that feels alive, turning ordinary views into moments full of meaning. As it lifts into the sky, familiar surroundings start to look fresh and inspiring. Every color becomes brighter, every detail feels sharper, and the world below begins to tell a story waiting to be discovered. Customers who wish to preserve their experiences in a meaningful way often seek tools that are simple to use yet allow creativity to flow. This drone fulfills that desire, helping users capture visuals that feel personal and unforgettable. People who enjoy exploration will feel excitement and calm at the same time as the drone moves smoothly through the air. Even beginners feel guided, as if the drone itself shows the best angles to reveal hidden beauty. Each flight becomes a peaceful escape, offering space to appreciate the environment from a fresh viewpoint and enjoy moments that might otherwise go unnoticed. Sharing these captured memories brings joy because each frame conveys emotion rather than just images. The Teeggi drone becomes more than a flying device, it becomes a companion that turns ordinary moments into lasting memories, making every flight a meaningful and unforgettable experience that stays with the heart long after it lands. Number 4. New L106-1 PRO GPS Drone. The new L106-1 PRO GPS Drone 8K high-definition dual-camera 360-degree obstacle avoidance remote control with screen brushless quadcopter opens a new world for anyone who dreams of exploring the skies and capturing life from a unique perspective. Many people try to preserve moments with ordinary devices, yet those memories often lack depth and fail to show the true emotion behind each scene. This drone turns every flight into a meaningful experience, transforming ordinary landscapes into remarkable stories. As it rises into the air, familiar surroundings begin to look vibrant and alive. Every color feels richer, every detail becomes more distinct, and the world below appears full of hidden stories waiting to be discovered. People who want to make their experiences feel special often look for tools that are easy to use yet allow creativity to flow naturally. This drone provides that freedom, helping users capture visuals that feel personal and unforgettable. Those who enjoy adventure will feel calm excitement as the drone glides effortlessly through the sky. Even beginners feel guided, as if the drone itself is showing the best angles to reveal beauty often overlooked. Each flight becomes a peaceful escape, offering a chance to notice details in the environment that might otherwise go unnoticed. Sharing these captured moments brings joy because every frame conveys real emotion rather than just images. The new L106-1 PRO drone becomes more than technology, it becomes a companion that transforms simple moments into lasting memories, making every flight meaningful and keeping the experience alive long after it lands. Number 5. AE60 GPS Drone. The AE60 GPS Drone Professional 8K Camera 3-Axis Gimbal Aerial FPV Brush Avoiding Obstacle Remote Control Quadcopter Touchscreen Airdrop Drones brings a feeling that awakens curiosity in anyone who sees it rise into the air. People often try to capture moments that matter, yet many tools make those memories look ordinary. This drone gives a different kind of experience, one that makes every scene feel richer and more heartfelt. As it lifts above the surroundings, the view becomes something that touches emotions. Ordinary landscapes begin to look meaningful, and quiet places appear full of life. Customers who want their moments to feel precious often look for something that helps them express their story without pressure. This drone gently encourages creativity, letting users feel in control even when they have no past experience. People who enjoy exploring will find themselves drawn to the calm, steady movement that makes the world look more beautiful from above. It brings a sense of confidence, as if the sky itself is guiding the journey. Each flight becomes a small escape, giving the mind space to breathe and admire the world with fresh eyes. Sharing these scenes with loved ones adds an extra layer of joy because each frame carries emotion, not just imagery. The AE60 drone becomes a quiet companion that helps people appreciate the little details they often overlook. It transforms everyday surroundings into moments worth holding on to, turning simple flights into unforgettable memories that stay close to the heart.